Yes, my first time. Welcome to our last live stream of this week. Last but definitely not least, we talk about Complete Line today. Complete Line is described as the new standard for control cabinet building. To get an idea of what this means, Jenny Achilles, we changed the roles and she is now the one to be interviewed about this very special approach. Hi Jenny.
Hi Sasha.
Can you describe Complete Line in just one sentence? It's difficult, right?
Yeah. Well, actually I can't. Almost if I should be fair to all the complex aspects of Complete Line, but maybe I can try to just headline it. So,
go ahead.
Complete Line is a comprehensive system approach that supports all process steps of control cabinet building with matched software and hardware components and knowledge in services and consulting.
How does this complete solution look like?
Well, Complete Line is based on 3 pillars. The first of them is the efficient engineering, which means that we have complete digital data for all Complete Line products. And we have the Project Complete planning and marking software that forwards all these data through the whole process of control cabinet building. When we have the leading products itself, which means we have a complete portfolio that covers all applications of the control cabinet building. And then we have smart production, which means for us supporting our customers in their processes with service and consulting and optimizing all their processes.
What influence does efficient engineering have on the cabinet building process?
If we face the changes that control cabinet building is facing right at the moment, like digitalization or automation, it becomes very clear that digital data becomes more and more important. And what we do with Complete Line is providing digital data for all the products that are involved in Complete Line. So our customers have the chance to use them for their electrical engineering and CAE tools, which are just downloadable at the internet, and they can do all their planning. And then it comes to the hard piece of Complete Line digital data provision, which is the Project Complete planning and marking software, where you can plan all your terminal strips directly with the products. And with different interfaces to CAE tools, you can just transfer your data from the CAE systems with one click to Project Complete, and there you can plan your terminal strips, and you have a lot of automated functions like an automated marking solution and an automated bridging solution and a function for accessories, and that avoids a lot of manual work steps.
And
when sorry, it comes to the highlight maybe of Project Complete software, which is the automatic ordering for terminal strips. So you can transfer your project directly to the web and order it there, and you get your individual price conditions and delivery times, and get your project just in time for your production.
And what's so special about the Complete Line product portfolio?
Well, we call Complete Line the new standard for control cabinet building. And this is what we did with the products. So we tried to standardize the main characteristics of the products. And if you take a look at this terminal strip, you can see very easily there's a lot of orange in it, which is the push-in technology. So all products of the Complete Line portfolio are available with push-in technology, which enables a fast and toolless wiring and makes them also ready for automation. And then we have standardized marking, which means we have markings that fit in all products. So you just need one marking group and you can assemble the whole portfolio. Further, we have these bridges that fit into, well, I think more than 2,600 different products of the portfolio. So with one bridge you can cover them all. And we have standardized testing and connector, DIN-rail connector technologies. And well, if you take a look at the appearance of the design and the haptics of the Complete Line products, it becomes obvious that they give your control cabinet a very sophisticated look, and the handling is very similar with every product, which makes it easier for workers to install them and which avoids failures.
So what does a smart production look like?
I think the first thing that is very necessary to understand that is about smart production is that smart production does not necessarily mean a fully automated solution. Smart production means that you use the full potential of your own individual production. And well, this can be very small changes like using high-end ergonomic tools for the assembly instead of your old tools, or just integrating automated devices for the pre-assembling of your wires. Or maybe you just have a spatial reorganization of your workshop, so you have shorter distances and consider lean principles for your workshop, which makes you more efficient. And of course, the high-end solution is a fully automated assembly, and this is what we do with the Clipix concept at Complete Line, where we just give an insight in the production solutions of tomorrow with a fully automated assembly.
Wow, Jenny, thank you very much for introducing a Complete Line to us. This solution really seems to be a future leading for cabinet building. If you are just as excited as I am about Complete Line, join me and join us on our YouTube series. Every Tuesday I show you inspiring facts and solutions about control cabinet building. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't miss anything about Complete Line.